welcome back to Small Inches 101, guys. Today we have a Craftsman Sawzall that we're going to unbox today, real fast. And if you're following me on my project lawn, my grandma's yard, we got this all mulched, and I got some topsoil put down too. Put back to the main subject, the Craftsman. Hopefully you guys can see that. The Craftsman Sawzall. And we have some Milwaukee blades. 5 Milwaukee. You guys alright? Okay. Just making sure. Maybe I can put the camera right here. And move this trigger. Okay, now that should work. Okay, here it is. So right off the bat, let's open the box. It says it's a 7.5 amp reciprocating saw. I swear I read that wrong. Well, okay. There it is. It's got some weight to it as well. Okay, so here it comes in this nice plastic wrap. Take that off. Here it is. We did buy the electric version, but here it is. It's fairly nice. It's pretty nice quality as well. I'll go ahead and put that in there, see what else is in here. We have our instruction manual. Okay, and it does come with a blade. It does come with a blade in the back. So we'll open that up. So we did buy, they didn't know if it came with a blade or not, so we just bought an extra pack of blades. And it does come with blades, as long as the hex key. I'm assuming that is to put the blade in the machine right here. Okay, so this will be our little table. And then we'll take our instruction manual, open it up. Okay. Here we have our manual, Craftsman. And here's our 152 millimeter Craftsman blade. Okay, I don't even know how to say it. All I know is it's a Sawzall blade. So, go ahead, see how to put this in here. Sorry, guys. Okay. Alright, there it is. Okay, so we're going to put this in there. Just like that. And then, okay, well, I'll have to read the instructions furthermore, because I'm not 100% sure how that works. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure how that works, so I'll have to end up reading the instructions. But anyways, oh, that's also probably because I have it on wrong. So that'd be why. Okay. Well, now that we have the blade on right, you can see. There it is. So then we'll just tighten that down with our hex key they gave us. There it is. This is pretty much what it's supposed to look like. Now it's not in there, it's loose, but it's somewhat in the saw. So yeah, that's somewhat what it's supposed to look like. Now we did buy These tried the really small ones. So we bought a bigger pack. But we put the original one on there first until this one gets worn out. So yeah. It's a 7.5 amp reciprocating saw. It's got some weight to it, to be honest, but it'll work really nice. So, thank you guys for watching. So here's a close up of it. Flip this puppy over. Looks good. Now this was like $80, I think. And here's the box. And here's the front of it. It's a Craftsman 7.5 amp reciprocating saw. And then it's got 3-year warranty. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I will update you with the saw and the project lawn. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.